Allergy cream
Yes,
for
doctor.
your skin.
Doctor, for the laser treatment, the insurance isn't covered, right?
Not covered by this.
Doctor, I'm sorry, may I ask how much it will cost?
Our staff will
Let
inform
me
you
know,
about
okay.
the cost.
Doctor,
Yeah.
do you also take this out?
Okay. This is kind of
Because before I don't have this.
yes, this is a vessel, vascular lesion. So dilatation of the vessel, the enlarged vessel. So we do the laser treatment to get rid of the vessels on that. Yes.
But this is not a mole.
Not a mole, but similar with mole.
But not dangerous, doctor, right?
Yes. Not
May I know what
dangerous.
is the cause?
Our staff will.
Okay, doctor.
Okay.
Doctor, I'm sorry. I'd wish to have the injection for the skin problem.
Injection. Okay.
Would it be possible?
Okay, this is possible.
Thank you so much,
You're
doctor.
welcome. And injection today, and I will prescribe the topical one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, doctor.
If you feel itching sensation on that, I would like to prescribe the oral medication for just 5 days. How about the oral medication?
No need,
Okay,
doctor.
okay.
I just wonder also in my face there's a lot of like the skin is taken out so much, but I just use the essence, so
It's better to use cream or lotion for your face.
doctor, can you prescribe for the face the ointment?
Ointment. Yes, ointment, but this ointment is no side effects, but when you apply the ointment on your face, you can feel like prickling sensation or little burning.
Okay.
So please use a very small amount.
Okay,
cream on
doctor.
your face.
Thank you very
And
much.
after applying the basic lotion on your face,
Thank you so much,
then
doctor.
you can use this. Okay.
Doctor, last thing, this can be cured like how long?
It's better to apply 2 weeks.
For
in the
2
morning.
weeks?
Yes, in the morning and in the evening. And
But there's no cause about some kind of food. There's no relation.
yes, no relation with the diabetes. Okay. You have diabetes.
Yes, right.
It's better to not have an injection therapy. Injection can make it worse, your diabetes.
Really?
Blood glucose can be heightened by the injection. So just use an amount.
I'm sorry, doctor. Miyanenendeyo. But can I still have it? Because this is so pulpyo na yun.
Oh, okay. Because I would like to prescribe the strong ointment for your leg.
Okay.
If you want.
Because doctor, I'm lazy using the ointment. Sometimes I forgot.
So the strong one will help you.
Okay. Thanks a lot, doctor, for always being so nice and kind.
It's my pleasure. Yeah, thank you for your coming.
Okay, doctor.
Thank you so
Stay
much.
healthy, happy, and blessed. Thank you so much. Chukpok manipada sa doctor.
감사합니다.
Okay. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Thank you, doctor. Ma, hindi pala to because of aging. Yung mga lumalabas. Pag masyado na rin na-scrub ang skin mo, parang nag-spread ito. Hindi, before akala daw nila because of aging. Minsan sa skin ko, ma, allergic, ano yan, parang sa dust, tumahan sa ano. Hindi because of ano. So, mabait ng doktor na. 네. 뭐?
이거 한 건데?
한 개? 네네. 아니, 이거 많이 나와요. 근데
많아요.
이거 하고요.
이거는 보험되게 해주신다고 하셨거든요.
아, 이거 포함 가능해요?
그렇게 해주신대요, 원장님이.
아, 네.
근데 이건 보험 되시는 거고, 목에 있는 건 보험 안 되고.
네네.
네. 이거 여러 군데 빼실 거예요? 아니면 한 개만 빼실 거예요?
이거 빼면 얼마예요?
2만.
그럼 이거는요?
이거는 그것도 만 얼마에서 2만 얼마 나올 것 같아요. 보험 돼서.
아, 네.
응.
아, 이거 안 해도 돼요?
이거 안 하실 거예요?
네.
이거는 나중에 번질 수는 있긴 하거든요.
I'm sorry.
아, 그러면 일단 이것만 할게요.
네네.
응.
오늘 해야 돼요? 오늘 가능해요?
오늘 가능하세요?
아, 네.
오늘 할 거예요?
네네. 시간 어떻게?
시간 마취하고 하면은 그래도 20분? 30분?
아, 네.
30분 안에 끝나실
네네.
것 같은데?
오늘 여기 몇 시까지요?
2시. 조금 앉아
아,
계세요.
네. 땡큐.
앞쪽에서.
아, 오케이.